Hello, I'm Mark Baranche, CEO and CTO at OpenText. I once wrote, "The internet changed everything." Today, with AI, everything will change. Every role, every industry, every organization. Our industry is transforming from the cloud digital era to the AI cognitive era, where automation, data, and learning models are coming together to work seamlessly. In my view, AI will require a whole new ontology, a new way of thinking, all centered on how we innovate and how we create. We're focusing OpenText World 2023 on AI and its forces of change, on commerce, on climate, on biotech, and the very nature of work itself. We are excited to showcase OpenText.ai, our strategy for helping our customers unlock the potential of AI and large language models to solve their most complex problems. You'll get to explore our latest solutions for powering and protecting your information, including our new product line, OpenText Aviator, our extraordinary suite of AI innovations. We are bringing together industry experts to share their views on AI and the most important issues of our time. You'll hear from the former UN Chief Economist and Assistant Secretary General for Economic Development, Elliot Harris, with an illuminating talk on UN sustainability goals. We're bringing together career and workplace expert and New York Times bestselling author, Lindsay Pollack, on the shaping of the future of workforces and organizations managed by Gen Z in AI technology. We have the futurist and author, an emerging technologies expert, Vivek Wadhwa, who's going to go deep into AI value creation. We have the founder, chair, and principal analyst of Constellation Research, Ray Wang, on the pivot to AI. We'll also be joined by the author of the New York Times bestseller, The Uninhabitable Earth, written by David Wallace Wells, who will explore the future of our climate. We have the president of the Foreign Policy Research Institute, Carol Raleigh Flynn, who's going to talk about the next generation of threats that business and organizations will face. We have the IDC Group Vice President for Supply Chain, Simon Ellis. And Simon's going to talk about how do you build the next generation of supply chains using AI. And we have AI expert and artist and founder of the Algorithmic Justice League, Dr. Joy, who's going to speak about design justice and values-based innovation in a software process world. In our view, there is no such thing between ethical and non-ethical AI. There's just ethical AI. We just have a fantastic OpenText World 2023 designed for you. You'll also learn how OpenText is reimagining software development, our own software development processes, and our commitment to sustainability, data privacy, and trust. Please join us in Las Vegas, October 11th and 12th, for what's going to be just an absolutely incredible event and our best OpenText World ever. I hope to see you there.